I do a little bit of writing on Medium, a platform called Medium where I get paid for it. And I know as a freelance writer, it can get tiring trying to always find new gigs and pitch to new websites. So in this video, we're gonna look at least 6 sites and 6 jobs that are always paying freelance writers. Pay ranges anywhere from $30 all the way up to almost $80 per article. And while we at it, I'm gonna plug in my book that I published right here. It's called No Such Thing as Halfway. It's a novel about tribalism, about romance, and right here you can pick it up. The link is down below in the description, and it's one of the most proudest things that I've ever done. So if you're into reading and writing, pick up my book. But in this video, we're gonna look at websites that pay you to write as a freelance writer. Let's get started. All right, so job number 1 is a company called Static Media. Now, they're looking for quite a few different positions, and Static Media is recruiting remote writers for their site on Food Republic, and this gig pays anywhere from $21 an hour. And so with Static, you will write up to the minute news, original insights, exclusive interviews, and expert advice to make every day better. As you can see here, they have flexibility in terms of perks. All of the freelance writers and editors work from home, and they provide freedom to choose whenever hours you want to work that is best for you. Scrolling down here, links are going to be down below in the description. By the way, they have freelance food and grocery news writers. They have freelance food and dining feature writers. They have freelance food and beverage writers. They have freelance home design, wrestling writers, gadget, tech, and automated feature writers. This is one that I would be interested in, just off the rip, I would tell you. So jumping into the freelance food and grocery writers, just for example, we're going to see that this job, the responsibility is, claim feature article topics from a selection of assignments. You research, pitch, and write 2,600 to 3,000 word article on a custom CMS with a 1 week to do 1 day turnaround, depending on the topic and timeline of the article. In terms of what they offer, compensation 8 cents per word, reliable payment 1 time a month, and no invoicing. So their system is automated. You do not need to invoice them. They just automate it as soon as you pretty much submit, and you get decent exposure on Apple News, MSN, Yahoo, and different things like that. So that's pretty great. Here's how to apply. The link is down below in the description, and this is from Static Media. Quite a few different jobs available on this one, so definitely go and jump on that. Now, site number 2 that pays you to write is Onward Copy. Now, this website, they're seeking a work from home copywriter and editor for content role that pays between $20 to $40 an hour, and they will help you find the best writing and content jobs at the nation's best companies and leading digital marketing agencies. As you can see, they have quite a few different jobs. We can click more, and there's more and more jobs, but I'm just gonna go into this product copywriting job right here for a second and look at what this one entails. This is for an apparel brand. As you can see, this job pays $30 to $35 an hour in Costa Mesa, California. Your pay is $35 an hour. You work as much as 30 hours a week. It's hybrid, meaning you gotta be in California. You will go in the office sometimes a week, and it's an opportunity that lasts from 4 to 6 months, and they require 2+ years experience. So if you've been writing for a year and a half, 2 years, you can pretty much apply for this position. They have benefits: medical, dental, vision, life insurance, 401k plan, and commuter benefits, which is great. Also e-learning like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera, different things like that you can negotiate. So if you want to write for Onward in terms of writing for an apparel brand and product copywriting, then this is an excellent opportunity for you in terms of creating product descriptions for new footwear and apparel products, executing in the brand's voice for an online target audience, proofreading and self-edit product descriptions for grammar, spelling, and accuracy, collaborating with other creatives and internal stakeholders, as well as updating existing product data titles. Then, if you can do that, then this job is for you. So definitely check the link down below in the description. This is one that, like I said, they have quite a few different jobs. You can definitely find something in here in your field, whether it's content writer, as an operations manager, content strategist, digital content strategist, or photography manager, or copy editor. There's a job here for you, as they claim they will find the best writing job for you in the nation. So definitely check that out. Number 3 site on our list is Bold LLC. Now this site is looking for a remote SEO content writer. The salary ranges for this position is $47,000 all the way up to $71,000 a year. Now, if you go on their website just real quick, you will see they're hiring in Puerto Rico, United States, India, Poland, and you can be a French content writer, Portuguese content writer, product manager, global content writer. That's the one we're going to look at in a second. And the list goes on and on and on. There's different kind of writing jobs on this site. And so the one we're going to look at is a product manager, global content. And in this position, you will seek to work closely with their global talent team to create amazing content experiences for their customers around the world, as well as analyzing data and analytics across multiple markets to determine their biggest opportunities. So again, this is a remote position, 100% remote. You work from home, and if you are lawfully located in any one of these states, then you can apply, as well as far as you in the United States. In terms of benefits, just looking at it real quick, they have a good salary, like we said, $47,000 to $71,000, biannual bonus, so twice a year, 401k plan match, equity in the company, and flexible spending account, which is awesome in terms of medical. You can see some more benefits here. What the job entails, like we already mentioned, you will collaborate with a distributed team across several different locations and countries, work with content writers and engineers on generative AI prompts, develop an output analysis. So incredible job here. We already looked at the benefits and the salary, as well as you can learn more about the company here. So this is one that if you're not just located in the United States, Bold LLC is one that if you have some experience as an SEO content writer, you can jump in, whether it's India, Puerto Rico, United States, and be able to find an opportunity for yourself there. So that's number 3 on our list. Number 4 on our list for the company called Weststar Multimedia. And this company, they're looking for freelance news writers, and they're hiring a writer in the consumer technology background. And the pay ranges anywhere from $50 to $150 an hour. So that's a pretty big gap. But this job is a freelance news writer, and in consumer tech, they require at least 3 years experience in writing and technology. Security of consumer technology experience is preferred. Excellent copywriting and proofreading skills, proficiency in AP style is a strong plus. If you can engage in headlining writing, that's great, and demonstrate a professional level skill in consumer writing, that's also great. This is a part-time position. The pay range is big. It's a big gap. That's usually a red flag for me personally speaking. It's a day shift, Monday to Friday. So if you're interested in this position, you can click here and apply. The link is down below in the description. Again, the company is Weststar Multimedia, and they're seeking a freelance writer to join their team. So this is a part-time position that's only 15 hours a week, but the pay is excellent. If it's just $50 an hour, that's great, but that's a big gap. I would generally ask why that is in the interview stages, because for me, that's just a red flag, but definitely a great opportunity nonetheless if you want to jump in as a freelance newsletter writer. Number 5 on our list is AirApp. Now, AirApp is a sports company, and they're looking for a sports writer, and this is a freelance sports position that pays up to $23 an hour. Now, all the positions that we discussed in this video, this one is remote. Again, it's a temporal contract. And a little bit about them: they are a social, fast-paced, fun environment to work for, and their goal is to create a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about sports. So in terms of work environment, it's a work from home job, flexible hours, in a casual attire situation. Requirements are you must use iOS mobile devices, so iPhone, iPad, MacBook. They're currently only available in the App Store. Excellent communication skills you must have. Passion for sports, basketball, sneakers, fashion, gaming, music, arts, etc. Savvy with social media, X, Facebook, different things like that, YouTube. If you're outgoing and personable, that's also great. So this position, like I said, pays $23 an hour. They have a referral program for benefits, and you choose your own hour. Day shift, Monday to Friday, weekends are available as well. So if you want to write for sports, it's a contract temporarily. You should go ahead and apply for this. The link, like I said, for all of these is down below in the description. The last but certainly not the least on our list here is Catalyst Healthcare and Life Sciences. They are hiring an entry-level candidate for several positions for contract research in the clinical trials of drug, biologics, and medical services. Now, this position, like I said, it's a contract position, and the responsibilities are you will prepare complex clinical documents that present clinical data objectively and in clear, concise format. You will also prepare regulatory documents, including but not limited to common technical documents, collaborate with preclinical subject matter experts, and write and edit abstract manuscript posters and presentative for science meetings and different things of that sort. So if you are interested in medical field, medical sciences, you want to write for medical journals and different things like that, it's an excellent opportunity for you. It's remote, but it's also a contract, like everything that we've talked about in this video. The link is down below in the description. I know the video is getting a little bit long. I don't want it to get past a certain time, so I'm going to speed past this one. But like with everything, the link is down below in the description. We've talked about freelance writing jobs in sports, medical, different things, apps. So there's definitely something here for each and every one of you if you're looking. Let me know how you enjoyed this video, what it is you're looking for. Hit the comments down below, let me know, and I'll find it for you on this channel. My name is Flex. If you enjoy this kind of content, this is what I make. Definitely subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.